In this video, I'll show you how to link resources together so you always have relevant information at your fingertips. You'll also learn how to group resources together into collections to improve navigation and searching, and finally, how to save an arrangement of resources to quickly pick up your study where you left off the last time. As you study, you'll often want a biblical text and a commentary, lexicon, or similar resource open at the same time. It is helpful when these resources stay in sync. To link resources, click the panel menu icon and select a letter. Repeat this for each resource you want linked together. Logos allows you to create up to 6 different link sets at a time. Link sets sharing the same letter sync and scroll together. This way, when you scroll through a passage, your open commentary automatically scrolls to the same location. When you navigate to a different book, the commentary also opens to the corresponding passage if it is available in that same series. Link sets work for resources which share the same organizational structure, so you can also apply them to lexicons and other Logos tools. This allows you to quickly research elements in your text. Adding a search panel to your link set runs a search with a single click. When the Bible Word Study Guide is linked to a Bible, the guide automatically syncs to your currently selected word. This provides a wealth of information about any word in Scripture. You'll learn more about using this guide in a future video. Parallel resource sets make it easy to navigate between the same kind of resources, such as Bibles, commentaries, dictionaries, or lexicons. Click the Parallel Resources icon to view the corresponding resources and select the one you want to open. You can also navigate between parallel resources by clicking the left and right arrow keys. By default, Logos cycles through all your resources of the same type, but you can streamline this feature by creating a collection. Open the Tools menu and select Collections. Collections allow you to interact with multiple resources as a single group. For example, your Logos library contains many commentaries on Luke, but you want to have access to your most used commentaries in guides and other features like the parallel resources. Give your collection a unique name such as Top Luke Commentaries. Check the box Show in Parallel Resources to make this collection usable in this feature. You can build collections using defined rules. In this case, we'll start with subject:"Luke. Consult the help file to see a complete list of library filter fields. You can then remove resources from those matching your rule. Because your rule is subject:"Luke, Logos excludes commentaries on the entire Bible or New Testament. If you want to add one of these commentaries, open the library in a new panel. Search for title:"Bible Background. Drag and drop it to plus these resources. When your collection is complete, close the Collections panel. In the future, you can locate your collection in the Docs menu. Click the title to open the collection and edit it, or select the document and press Delete if you want to remove the collection. This action does not delete the resources in the collection from your library. Now that you have created a collection, you can use it in the parallel resources by selecting the column with your collection. Now you can quickly cycle through the resources in this collection using the arrow keys. Collections also give you the ability to search a particular group of resources. Open a search panel and click Basic. Expand the resources limit and begin entering the name of your collection. Select it and enter your search term. You may want to study how this pericope fits into Luke's overall narrative. Enter Luke 4:16-30, angle bracket. The angle brackets tell Logos you're looking for a reference. Press Enter, and Logos shows you all the places where verses in this pericope occur in your collection. You can still limit searches to Luke's commentaries without creating a collection. In the limit, type subject:"Luke, and select the option from the drop-down menu. Acts was also written by Luke, so you may want to include it in your search. Add OR to tell Logos to search resources about Luke or about Acts, and add subject:"Acts. Select the option from the menu and continue with your search. Use this opportunity to drag tabs around your desktop to create a layout that works best for you. Once you have your panels arranged the way you like them, click the Layouts icon and select Save as Named Layout. Give it a name such as Luke 4:16-30 and press Enter. You can reopen your layout by clicking the Layouts icon and selecting it from the Saved Layout section. You can also add this layout as a card to your home screen. This gives you ready access to this layout, and you can reopen it with a single click. Since Logos remembers your panel arrangement as well as the open resources within those panels, you may find it helpful to create additional layouts for other study projects you're working on. The Program Settings menu also allows you to choose your display when Logos opens. If you study on multiple devices and want to pick up where you left off, click the Home button and select Most Recent Layout Any. Now, simply close the program. Make sure you don't close the layout. The next time you open Logos on any device, you'll see the last layout you were working on. Creating link sets, collections, and layouts are just a few ways to make your study more efficient. You can adapt these tools to your preferences and experiment with additional options. In the next 3 videos, you'll learn how to access different guides, which give you access to detailed information about your passage and specific words in the passage in an organized format.